again for another walk, this time at Cauldron Reservoir. Got that behind us. Jensen's pointing at the sheep. So we're going to go along the Geo Trail and then have a look at what's called Cauldron Snout, which is the exit to the dam and all the waterfalls with that. Let's have a look. Waterfall. There it is. Wow. Walked along a bit from the bridge, which is over there. We walked along this kind of rocky path. You can see a bit more of the waterfall. Oh, Jensen, look at the lake. Waterfall! Wowee! Look at all that! Lucky thoughts?
Asleep.
At the bottom of the dam, you can see the water coming out. Jensen? Oh, we're gonna go up there and meet Mum and then have lunch at the top. Should we get going? Yeah! Okay, so we just climbed up the stairs. It's quite difficult, quite hard work. You can see how high up we are now. This is where we came from. All the way down there. And at the top, it's the nice view of the reservoir. Some lunch. Jensen's having some dunkers. He's had a cheese roll, haven't you? Tasty? Yeah.
Nah.
Me and Mama had some wraps.
Oh.
Lucky's had some milk and now he's just getting nappy changed quickly and then we'll get the jet boil out, have a coffee and head off again. So we've just done the water's boiled there. And in here we've got a little tub of white hot chocolate and coffee for some nice white mochas. Pour that in there. So we've got a spoon, so we're going to use the base of the jet boil and some can-do attitude. This is not great. Somewhat effective, to be fair. Try that off before it goes back into the stove. And there we go. A nice cup of somewhat dissolved hot chocolate. Okay, so we just finished up lunch Everyone's packed back up. Just having the coffee on the way down the hill. So we're just on the way back round now. You can see the bridge that we walked over before, and then that's where the waterfall goes. And then we're going to go up through here and have a look over this way and then head back round. Just on the way back now, the sun's gone in, it's got a bit windy. Jensen's still got plenty to explain about the reservoir and its water system.
Jensen's fast asleep.
So just back at the car park now. You can see there. And then there's the reservoir, and we've been all the way over there. Been down at that valley where the sun is over there. Some really nice views. Some very good drone shots.
Got the best of the weather as well, it's turned a bit now.
Yeah, the sun was out for the drone shots, so they should look really good, and it was out for lunch, which was really nice. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Okay.